Edith, make sure that these scissors are perfect. We restored the edge back to the way it should have been. Always take a before and after photo, and ask anyone that walks in the door for sharpening to take a before and after photo. And this way, if they do you dirty, there's your proof. Immediately compare your sharpened edges to the blades of a new scissor. Make sure they're pristine. They should never look like they were sharpened. They should only feel sharper when you go to cut.